Congress General Secretary in charge Communications, Jairam Ramesh has claimed that Article 174 of Indian Constitution violated in Manipur, as no assembly session could be summoned within 6 months from last sitting of assembly session. Expressing the matter on his X account, Jairam Ramesh alleged that this is deliberate contempt of the Constitution. He said the breakdown of constitutional machinery in Manipur and the agony of the people of the state continues as they still await a visit by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who goes everywhere but Manipur. It may be mentioned that under Article 174 of the Constitution, the governor shall from time to time summon the house or each house of the legislature of the state to meet at such time and place as he thinks fit, but 6 months shall not intervene between its last sitting in one session and the date appointed for its first sitting in the next session.